How do you strip hardened asphalt off a paving truck without a scraper, chemicals, or a drop of water? You blast it with dry ice. During paving season, downtime is the enemy. Buildup on spray bars, nozzles, and frames slows paving crews. But pulling equipment for a full day of manual cleaning slows them down more. Dry ice cleaning fixes both. It cuts cleaning cycles by as much as 80 to 90%, so a full day of work becomes 1 to 2 hours. And you can clean equipment in place without disassembly. No chemicals, no wastewater. And because the dry ice turns back to gas on contact, no secondary waste to deal with. Clean between jobs and keep the fleet moving. Dry ice does the work, then vanishes into thin air.